Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Hitchin, and welcome to this Christmas edition of Center Lane and the last episode for 2020. I'll be back on January 8th with a great segment on Jelly Bean Autocrafters. But this segment is to say farewell to 2020 and thank you to all the people who have participated in Center Lane over the last few months. It's also to say a very special thanks to you, my viewers and subscribers. It's only by building subscribers that enables me to continue. So if you like watching Center Lane, then please subscribe to my channel. I started Center Lane back in August with the goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers in my first year. Right now, we're sitting at just over 200, so please click that subscribe button below and help me realize that goal. Right now, I want to pay tribute to the people who have invited me into their garages and businesses over the last few months and share their cars, their collections, and their stories with us. Welcome to Center Lane. My channel is dedicated to the love of cars.
Our date nights, like I said before we had kids, that was our date night car, especially in the summer. We would drive it out to White Rock and go out to Crescent Beach or out to the pier.
I used to do a lot of horse riding, and I find this car likes to go.
Woohoo! It really has been fun to see all these fantastic cars and learn about them from some great people. I've already shot a couple episodes for 2021 that I'm really excited about. As I mentioned earlier, we're doing a segment on Jelly Bean Autocrafters, and I visited a friend of mine who owns a fleet of classic Jaguars. I also have a bunch of story ideas for the new year, so I hope to see you back here on Center Lane, January 8th. Until then, have a great holiday season and enjoy the ride.